So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a tub spout here. The old one, the diverter, was not functioning correctly. It wasn't shutting down all the way. Barely any water at all was coming out of the shower head. So we took it off. It's iron pipe. We got a Danco brushed nickel. Brushed nickel was the request of the homeowner. And took out the old nipple. It was a 5.5. And replaced it. So just brand new in there. All the old stuff's here in the trash. You can see that's the tub spout, the Danco, and then the nipples down there. You can see it right here. That guy was in there, and it was just old and corroded, no big deal. So I'm going to put that on there. Got it tightened down pretty good. You can see there's a little bit of a gap left. There is some movement in and out with the tub valve. This is an old, I believe it's a Pfister or a Delta. Can't remember. Let me see. It's a Pfister, and so the old one, the spout, had a lot of caulking back up in here, and it moved in and out of the wall because it's not strapped back there. So we eliminated a lot of that play. Still got a little gap in the top. It just takes some silicone and clear silicone and silicone that in. That way you don't get any water rolling down behind there. But it's in there real good. It's nice and tight. We did test the water. We got the. Let me see if I could take a video. Probably not. Without getting myself wet here. Let's see. I'll turn it on. And so that's the spout, normal flow, and then you can see that's the shower head. So real good flow. And still got a little bit of water coming out of there, not really like that, but it's stopped. So you can see it's stopped. So no dripping out of the spout, and you know, so you got to pull up on it all the way. Otherwise, a little bit of water will go by. But the main thing is you weren't getting any pressure to the shower head, and as you can see now, plenty of pressure, so you can take a shower. So that is it. We've got some other issues in here that we're not going to address because it's tile related. You got some damage back there. Tile popped out, and you got some corrosion going on. Maybe a little bit of mold going on, but that comes with aged tile and then grout lines, so they're taking care of that. So our job is done. The spout's installed. We did additionally adjust this toilet tank. So this lever was replaced a while back, and unfortunately the flapper, there was a conflict with the flapper. It was hitting a float. So this used to be part of the flapper assembly, and what would happen is the flush lever assembly, the metal portion down here in the tank, when you can't see it because I can't get my camera in there, but the lever was hanging up on this device, and so it wasn't allowing the flapper to close back down. So we flushed it quite a few times, and it's great. Handle here needs to be glued back on. You can see it just comes off with a little bit of Gorilla Glue in there, and then slide it back on there, and just make sure you don't get too much glue on it and it sticks to the plastic here, otherwise you won't be able to flush it. So anyways, that was it for us. Outside of that, this installation is done.